welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in if you're already subscribed, and if this is your first time here, I'm Lia. I would love if you guys subscribed and join the family. Today I have for you this gorgeous makeup look. Like, look at that eye look. It's one of the best that I've done in a while. Like, I haven't done like a glam look in such a long time, and even on myself, like off camera, I haven't done a glam look in such a long time. So I was so excited to get back to it, and I just love it so much. It looks so beautiful. This was inspired by Jamie Genevieve. I will leave her video down below. It's gorgeous and it was so easy, and I also used like the cheaper version of her product. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Click the little bell button so you guys can watch them first. If you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. So I'm starting off by priming my eyelids with a concealer. I find it the best way to prime my eyelids is with a concealer. My eyeshadow always sticks and it doesn't move and creases all night long. So after I've set my eyeshadow, I take this grey brown eyeshadow and I'm going to place it on my crease and a little bit on my outer corner of my eye. Then taking a blending brush, I'm just going to blend everything out so there are no harsh lines. Now I'm going to take the same eyeshadow and apply it on my inner corner. So we're going to try and create something like a halo eye. And then I'm doing the same thing to my other eye, obviously. Then I'm going to take a more reddish browny shade, and again I'm going to place it on my crease and my outer corner. Then again I'm blending everything out, and then again I am going to put the same eyeshadow on my inner corner to create that halo eye effect. Then I'm going to take the dark brown eyeshadow and I'm going to place it on my outer corner with a tiny eyeshadow brush, and I'm slightly going to take it up to my crease to darken up the eyeshadow. Then doing the same thing to my inner corner and to my other eye. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my inner corner as I previously did with all of my eyeshadows. This is turning out so good. I really loved it. For some reason I lost the clips, but I applied a gold eyeshadow from my Colourpop palette, and then I applied some glitter in the middle. Now I'm doing my eyebrows using my good old Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade, one of my favorites, if not my favorite eyebrow product. now I'm just going to apply my foundation using a novel brush by my makeup brush set. And the foundation I'm using is Fit Me by Maybelline. It's one of my all-time favorite foundations, and it's super high cover and great for summer. Next, I am going to take my concealer and highlight my face. You guys know the drill. Under my eyes, nose bridge, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. And then I'm just going to blend everything out using the BH Cosmetics concealer brush. And it's literally one of my favorite. It blends liquid concealer or liquid contour, stick contour. Really good. I love that brush. Then I'm just going to take my Maybelline Master Fix translucent powder and I'm going to bake under my eyes and set my whole face with it, and then blend everything out. I am then going to take that reddish brownish eyeshadow I previously used, and I'm going to put it on my on my lower lash line, and then I'm just going to tight line my eyes using a black eyeshadow on my waterline. Then I'm taking a contour shade. I'm just going to contour my face and carve out some cheeks because I have no cheekbones. Then I'm just going to take some blush and put some color back to my face. And lastly, I'm going to go crazy in highlighter. I'm going to mix every single highlighter from this highlighting palette, and I'm just going to put it all over my face basically. And then last but not least, I'm going to outline my lips using a pinky nude lip liner. And then I'm going to apply my favorite lipstick at the moment, which is by Makeup Revolution. I love this lipstick to pieces. And then taking a lip brush, I'm going to blend it out. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I love you all, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. So that is all I have for you guys today. I love you all, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. I also straightened my hair, which I never did during summer, so that's just for you.